friends, today I am going to do a project. The project name is Smart Class for Blind People. The materials to do that project are buzzer, battery, IR sensor, switch and a glass. Now let me explain that how to connect these components to make a smart class. First we can connect this part to the battery. There are two wires in this. One is black, another one is red. We should want to connect this red with the switch. Next take a wire, connect that wire with the switch. In buzzer we are having two wires. One is red and another one is black. Connect the buzzer's red wire to the another end of the switch wire. The one end should be connect with the buzzer's black color. See, now have been connected. Take the other end of the green wire, connect it with the center of the IR sensor. IR sensor and this green wire in the center of the IR sensor pin. Take a yellow color wire, fix in this side. Take one red wire. In the red wire, fix in the IR sensor. See here, you should want to insert like this. See here, you should want to connect this yellow wire to the buzzer's black wire, and you should want to connect this we connected the red wire to the IR sensor. Now you should want to connect the other border to the switch wire and the buzzer's red color. We connected all these three together. And now take the green wire which is already fitted in the IR sensor. Take the other border and fit in the battery's black color. It's altering to all of these connections. And now I am going to attach this with the specs. Now my smart class is ready. This is how to see this project is for the blind people. When some object come near to us, it will give alarm. By that we can know that some object is near to us. Object come near to us, it will give an alarm. Plus we want more distance. To detect the object, you can adjust the screw in IR sensor. So there is a screw in this blue box. Thanks for watching.